Have you ever wondered about the power dynamics in the world of politics, especially when it comes to the delicate dance between opposition and ruling parties? Well, today we delve into a fascinating discourse that is currently unfolding in Zimbabwe. Former Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, leader Nelson Chamisa found himself on the receiving end of some rather pointed commentary from ZANU-PF's Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. At a rally, Chiwenga labeled Chamisa as politically immature and suggested he should learn to work with others. He went on to say that Chamisa's job is to herd cattle, an insinuation at Chamisa's individualistic approach to politics. Chamisa, however, responded with diplomatic subtlety. He drew from the biblical story of David and Goliath to illustrate his point. He stated, "It's game on. Do you know that the giant Goliath was defeated by David the goat herder and a mere shepherd? Hashgodisinit?" A clear indication that he is not intimidated by the seeming political Goliath that ZANU-PF represents. Chiwenga's remarks were made at a ZANU-PF rally designed to drum up support for the party's candidate in the Harare East by-election. He emphasized that Chamisa should grow up and work with others, asserting that political ambition should be directed towards advancing the needs and will of the people. Earlier this year, Chamisa made a significant move by quitting CCC, just 2 years after the party's formation. He accused ZANU-PF of infiltrating the opposition party. However, political observers have noted that the opposition, in its current form, cannot challenge ZANU-PF. In fact, there are rumors that some ruling party members are pushing for the scrapping of presidential term limits to enable Mnangagwa to run for a third presidential term. Chamisa has faced criticism for his individualistic approach to politics, especially after sidelining key party figures, thereby weakening CCC. In summary, the political landscape in Zimbabwe is a complex and intriguing one. Chamisa's response to Chiwenga's comments opens up a space for dialogue on political maturity, teamwork, and ambition. The dynamics between opposition and ruling parties continue to shape the country's political future. But one thing is certain: in the game of politics, it's always game on.